Got a bunch of reference images to turn into videos? Don't send them one by one. AutoGrok handles it in batch. Open Grok, open the AutoGrok extension. Click Image to Video, drag in your images. Set how many images to send per batch. Here we'll do 3, so every 3 images become 1 video. Paste your prompt. Reference the images in order. Pick your resolution, duration, and aspect ratio in Grok, then hit Send. Check Task Manager to track progress. While it's generating, you can open Text to Video to check the send log. Once it's done, preview the results right in the downloader. You can also copy the prompt, open the folder to play the video, or go back to the generation page. If you have lots of images sharing the same prompt, just add more images. Done. If different image groups need different prompts, upload multiple prompts and match them up. If every single group has a completely different prompt, use prompt matching. Full tutorial on that coming in a later video.